சும்மா என் டேபிள் வந்து எடுத்து இப்படி தனி. That was not intentional. Basically guys, again basically super cute. We are not innocent, we are fools. Magnetic eyes. Okay, magnetic eyes na vaayila varada paithikari. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, hello, vanakkam. I am Vaishnavi and I basically post random content. That's why we are known as Diary of Random Stuffs. So without any further ado, let's get into the point of this video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys all the recommendations that I have from Amazon. You can call it finds or even gifting ideas, because like these are super affordable and you can also give them to your near ones or dear ones whose birthdays are coming up, or might be even for the anniversaries. You can consider them, they are really good. So I have curated a list of products like from my purchase history from the last couple of years. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I have put down the products in different categories, so if you don't like one, then you can skip to the next as well. So the first category that I have is one of my favorite, which is makeup. Like I am a very beginner at it, so எனக்கு வந்து அவ்வளோ நல்ல மேக்கப்லாம் தெரியாது, but still I want to do, I want to learn அந்த மாதிரி, like to try different looks. So அந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்லாம் எனக்கு இருக்கு. Adanala, I have got like few products for you guys as well. So if you're a beginner, these products are super affordable, you can try them. By the way guys, if you hear any background noise, my mom is cooking, maybe that's the reason, so please bear with me guys. So the first product that I have is by Insights Cosmetics. It is their Snow Smudge eyeliner. They have intense matte finish and they also claim to be waterproof and smudge proof. So this retails for only ₹86. Guys, basically Insights Cosmetics is a very affordable brand. Personally, I have not used this liner, but I have used their blushes in the past. That's why I trusted and I got this product. So if you are also a beginner at makeup, then you should definitely try this brand out. They come up with really affordable products, and not that the products are very cheap, they are of like decent quality as well. Moving on, this is one of my favorite. It is Faces Canada's Magnet Eyes Kajal. I love this product, you guys. I really love it. It just glides like butter. That's what I expect in a kajal, okay? They also claim it is smudge proof and waterproof. Waterproof, yes it is, but smudge proof, it is not to an extent, okay? This one, when you keep now, your eyes will look so cute. என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இது வைக்கும் போதெல்லாம் என் ஐஸ் வந்து க்யூட்டாக இருக்கும்போது நானே ஃபீல் பண்ணிப்பேன், because it looks that good. That too when you keep on your upper lip, it looks really good guys. Top is again one of my favorite brands. It is Mars. Their lipsticks are again really good guys. I love like the three brands that I love, this is one of them. I love Insights Cosmetics, Mars and Swiss Beauty, because these all three are very affordable. And the lipstick, oh my god, I don't have this particular shade, but it looked really good when my sister opened it and swatched the shade. I have it in the shade, I think it's Kuchipudi or Bihu Bliss or something like that. And I also love how quirky they have the names. So the one that I gifted my sister was Bollywood Surprise 09. It was a beautiful brown shade. I don't feel so heavy on your lips, yet they are really pigmented and they look really good. Moving on is again a Mars product. It is Mars Micro Precision Brow Pencil with a spoolie. Like guys, in the past I have got products just for the spoolie, okay? If I see when an eyebrow pencil comes with a spoolie, I'm sold, I buy that, because I don't use the eyebrow pencil, my sister uses that, and I just use the spoolie. It's just like the 2-in-1, we get in one product and I get sold. And that's how marketing works as well, you guys. Imagine na namakku idella therinju kuda nam adala vaangrom. How good, how innocent we are. We are not innocent, we are fools. And this retails for ₹138 and they claim it to be long lasting. Let's see. Okay guys, coming to the last product in our makeup category, it is a lip liner by Swiss Beauty. It is a matte finish in the shade 15 and I love it. I have used personally the maroon shade, and this one is like a pinkish red shade, but it was good. And You know what? It retails only for rupees 62, which is again great. I will not say like it's a perfect lip liner. Again, if you're a beginner, you try this one. But if you are already a pro or an expert and you're looking for a good product, maybe this is not for you, because sometimes it smudges off very easily. You keep the liner and you smudge it, it smudges off. So that was it in the makeup category. Let's move on to the next category, which is self-care. I will not call these products under self-care, because personally I don't believe like using some products means you are doing self-care, but I don't know how to name it, so they come under this category. Okay, the first product in this category is this super cute scalp massager in the marble pink color. I really love the color, guys. And will you believe me if I said this retails for rupees 79? Tell me. But yes, this is for rupees 79, and actually இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நாங்க வாங்கியிருக்கோம் in the black color, and my sister said it's really doing a good job. And this bristles or the spikes that you see, it's in silicone and it's not like that sharp and all, but it looks sharp, but it's like basically used to exfoliate your scalp and improve blood circulations. And guys, the catch is this product is biodegradable, it is non-toxic, it is safe to use, and it is eco-friendly. So this is again one of my personal favorite. It is this ice roller, the silicone ice roller. It's basically a facial massager, guys. What do? You have a small hole on top where you fill in the water, refrigerate it, let it freeze, and then you can take that and just open the first top lid and use it on your face to depuff. Or you can also use different waters like lemon water for brightening, and then coconut water for anti-aging, and then the chamomile tea, that water you can use it for again anti-inflammation, and then rose water for smoothing and all. It retails only for rupees 69. When I thought it was rupees 69, I was thinking maybe the quality will not be that good, but the quality was also good. The next one is something that I'm more excited to share. It's my recent purchase. It is this cute sipper tumbler. It's like a dupe of the Stanley tumbler, which is going very viral. And guys, I'll say you one thing, do get a sipper. I'm specifying on the sipper because when you use a sipper, like you automatically, like unknowingly, you drink more water, is what I've realized. Actually in table and na thanni kudichite irpen, and I never realized, but within 2 hours I'll finish one bottle, which is 1.2 liters. So this is a good recommendation that I have, and it's also a great gifting idea. The next category, like in the category not a favorite though, it's nothing but stationaries, you guys. If you are like me, who love stationery, who loves crafts and DIYs, this is for you. Stay on, hold on, okay? If you're looking for a planner, undated planner, then you should really check out this. I used it last year and I liked it, like, but I was not like a planner girly. I was like someone who was leaning towards bullet journaling, so that didn't suit me, but it's a very affordable one, and you also get motivated when your planner looks very pretty. So in that point also, it is really pretty, it's very effective, which is the main point of the planner. The next recommendation that I have in this category is this 5-year journal. Like basically it's called one question a day, I think. And like January 1st you'll have a question, and you will have for the next 5 years same question you will be answering, okay? So Nikki, like this point in life you will answer this question differently, but next year the same question, but your answer will be different, the point of view would be different. So when you write on this journal, you will reflect those points, like how you were earlier, but how things are changing. It would be really good when you like reflect on those things, like நம்ம போன வருஷம் இப்படி இருந்தோமா இந்த மாதிரி நினைச்சிருக்கோம்ல, but like 5 years later when you are answering that question, you would answer it totally different, and it will feel really good. Do check this product out. This one is the one I got and I gifted my friend as well, so she's using it and she's really loving it as well. But I should ask her if she's using it now. Now on the Jan or Feb later, she told she's using it and she's liking. But Shreyu, this is a reminder for you that you have to fill in the journal. Okay, so the next one is this set of books that I got during my college days. If you're in college and you still like using aesthetic notebooks and all, then do check this out. It's an affordable one. I don't remember the price, but I still use these books. They look very pretty, guys. It's like very soft and the colors are very quirky, attractive. Are in the last category. Actually, then எனக்கு வந்து என்ன மாதிரி categorize பண்றதுனே தெரியல இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்லாம். Like some are like home decor, some are like organizers. So I thought I'll just put them as together as miscellaneous stuff. So starting up is this beautiful evil eye themed dream catcher. Like if you are someone who believes in this dream capture concept and all, then it retails for rupees 201, which is like just 200. Quality is good, size is decent, and they also had different colors. So you can check this out. This recommendation is more specifically for a college or a school going student, like basically a student or who uses their desk a lot. It's this study lamp. Like you can bend it in 360 degrees and you have 3 more of lights. And it was at a good deal as well. I love the color. It's just white, so it would go with any theme that you have in your desk area. One are these organizers. Like I've seen this in almost all the desk makeover videos that I have seen on YouTube. It's this super cute but really functional organizer for your pen holders. Actually, the quality is really good. It's been 2 years I've been using them. Good quality. You are someone who is looking for a good grid for your desk or just as a wall hanging piece, and you want to hang your pictures there for your room or for any walls, then do check this out. I've been using this grid for more than 2 years now and it's doing really good. I won't say it is affordable, but I think for the price point it gives quality, right? That's what we want. One is this book organizer, this metal grid book organizer. It looks really good, very minimal. It would go with any theme of your desk. So it's a good recommendation or a gifting idea for someone who reads a lot, or if you are a student, it's very functional to organize your books. Last product I've got is my obsession. It's like literal obsession. I wear it with all my clothes, my Indian, my Western, everything. It looks super cool. So it's basically sunglasses. It's a very good gifting option. Make sure that you choose a frame that would suit the person. So yeah guys, we come to the end of this video. Let me know what product you like the most from this one, and if you like this video, do give a thumbs up and also leave your feedbacks in the comments. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, love. Bye. Just recommend. Sorry.